Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into the Google account on your iPhone and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once done, open Settings and tap Contacts, then Accounts. Add account if Google isn't listed. Sign in with your credentials and grant permission to sync contacts. This immediate action enables the bridge between Google and iPhone. Make sure Contacts Sync toggle is turned on. That triggers the transfer process in the next steps. Now dive into the middle steps to control how contacts flow. Once the Google account is added, select it and enable the Contacts switch. This tells iOS to import entries. Make sure Fetch New Data is configured. Push for immediate updates or fetch every 15-30 minutes for battery savings. If you have multiple accounts, set your default account under Contacts so new entries save where you want. Allow a few minutes for the initial batch. You'll see entries populate in the Contacts app. Finish by confirming completion and knowing one key recovery move. Once contacts appear, scroll to verify groups and entries, then open Phone or Contacts and test a search. If items are missing, force close Contacts and reopen. This refresh often forces a sync. If that fails, toggle Contacts off and back on for the Google account to reinitiate download. As a last resort, sign out of the Google account in Settings and sign back in. This re-authenticates permission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.